Top keyword rankings are a key to maximize sales and profits on Amazon. In order to appear organically in the search results, a product has to fit in a statistical profile and match certain attributes like ratings, reviews, prices, etc. as per the market standards. And this is the sort of analysis that our software DataHawk makes it easier to access for our customers. We notably compute competition scores related to keywords by looking, for instance, at how many reviews and ratings you would need to rank on page 1 organically. DataHawk's Keyword Tracker tool allows you to monitor daily changes in the organic search performance of any product. With DataHawk's Keyword Tracker, you have access to the historical organic Amazon keyword rankings data. The platform allows you to visualize rankings in beautiful charts and grids and thus benchmark your performance against your competitors. To quickly get started, create projects and add desired products and keywords to it. DataHawk will automatically analyze the tracked ASINs and track how they rank for each keyword you have added to the respective project. Thus, there is no need for you to assign keywords to ASINs. Clicking on a product from the tracked product list will take you to the product detail page where you have all the important KPIs and tools. Click on the Keyword Rank Tracker tab once you're inside a product. The chart shows the keyword ranking distribution of the number of keywords you're tracking for which the selected product is ranking for a specific position. And you also have the ability to analyze the rankings for a desired range of time. You can simply select it from the menu on the top right corner here. You also have a chart for the keyword ranking distribution for the last 14 days to have a quick analysis of how your keyword has been performing. For instance, we have tracked Zinus memory foam mattress for 30 days. It is found that there are 4 keywords for which the product is ranking in the top 3. Similarly, there are 6 keywords for which the product is ranking for 4th position to 10th position. DataHawk's Keyword Rank Tracker also allows you to monitor rankings across the first 10 search page results in all departments. You can see the detailed breakdown of the page ranks and the positions for each keyword you're tracking and for which the product is indexing. The color system helps you quickly analyze the ranks. The greener, the better. For instance, for the product Zinus mattress, it was observed that the product has been ranking between position 1 and 5 on page 1 for the keyword gel foam mattress for the selected range of time. It is, however, very interesting that it is actually the variation of this product that is ranking. Yes, DataHawk gives you the details. Even if a variation of a tracked product is ranking, you can differentiate it very easily by looking at the grid. The boxes with a plain background represent the tracked ASIN is ranking, whereas the boxes with a striped background represent that a variation of the tracked ASIN is ranking on the given position. You also have the estimated monthly search volume tied to each keyword, giving an idea of competition level on that keyword, as reflected by the number of products indexed on the search results on Amazon for it. Ideally, you want to optimize for keywords that have high consumer demand relative to the number of products available for the purchase of it. The Keyword Rank Tracker also helps you compare organic ranking before starting a campaign or during a campaign. Here, for instance, it is very interesting to see that the overall position of the product suddenly rise on 12th of May for the keyword organic mattress, which is a result of a probable bidding. Here's another example. The competition of keyword memory foam mattress queen is extremely high, and this product has been in a constant race to rank better on this. They stayed here with an overall rank of 51 on page 2. After spending more on this keyword, the rank had an upswing to rank 10 on page 1. You can see clearly how ranks are changing due to the advertising efforts, and there is a significant impact on the rankings. The star here symbolizes that the product has been seen to be sponsored on these dates. DataHawk Keyword Rank Tracker also enables you to view the evolution of rankings in a graphical format for you to easily compare and base insights on. You are thus able to quickly determine how the rankings are changing with your changing bid strategy. Getting insights from your campaigns and thus targeting valuable opportunities could be a key to success for a product in long term. DataHawk also enables you to predict the impact of your sales velocity on organic performance. Here's how you can do it. We have tracked Zinus twin mattress from the mattress category for last 30 days. The Keyword Rank Tracker will help you compare organic ranking before and after making sales. All you need to do is do a simple regression analysis on how the ranks are changing with the increased or decreased sales. In this example, you can see that the product was ranking on position 13 on page 1 for the keyword twin mattress on 22nd April. You can see that the rank changed from 13 to 8 to 6 to 7 and is at 3 on 19th of May. This clearly explains a change in the sales made. On April 22nd, there was a probable increase in sales that led to a raise in the ranking of the product. You can simply put this change into numbers by knowing the number of units needed to sell for moving a rank forward or backward. For example, let's say if after selling 150 units in a day, the rank takes a swing from 11 to 6, you can tell that to move a position ahead, the number of units to be sold for a product is 30. You can get a clear idea of these numbers by connecting your Seller Central account here. At DataHawk, we have developed highly intuitive dashboards that will allow you to quickly analyze. The SEO dashboard provides an overview of metrics related to organic search performance. Here, you can see the analysis of distribution of the best keyword ranking reached by each ASIN for any keyword being monitored. It shows the total best keyword ranking figures and their breakdown by range of rank. A product can have only one best keyword ranking. The higher your best keyword ranking numbers, the better, especially on the top positions that are close to 1. For instance, assuming you're monitoring 2 distinct products and 10 keywords, you may get a maximum of 2 best keyword rankings, as the analysis will focus on a single keyword per ASIN for which you have the best rankings.